Well, a very good morning to you, Desiree. You recall, of course, yesterday the early morning raids in Gauteng and Limpopo pertaining to the VBS matter. So here at the Palm Ridge Court, we're expecting 7 of the 8 suspects in the VBS matter to appear here this morning. And just a few moments ago, I'd spoken to one of the legal representatives of one of the accused, Sipho Malaba. You'd recall that he was the KPMG auditor who has been caught in this legal wrangle, accused of cooking the books relating to VBS. So that is what's going to take place in this court this morning. We're expecting it to get underway at 9 o'clock, but I just heard here that it might take a while before this sitting does get underway, because there were other suspects that were scheduled to hand themselves over to police. And Desiree, I think in this particular matter, you know, everyone is watching at this particular case, because you heard yesterday from the National Director of Public Prosecutions, Chiselda Lewis, who indicated that while this matter has reached the phase of arrest, recall this investigation started in in August 2018. And now you have arrests in this particular matter. But while you have what one would describe as the top executives of VBS Bank and others concerned, some others are saying, of course, what would need to be shown here is that, certain politicians who also may have been fingered in this particular saga should also face the rap or face the music for allegedly having their hands in the cookie jar. You'd recall, of course, there were a number of municipalities that had also invested billions into VBS Bank by flouting some of the acts relating to municipal finances. So many are saying that while they welcome the arrests, of course, of top executives, amongst others, relating to VBS, to show its true teeth, there would need to be some arrests relating to some of the politicians who've been fingered in this particular matter. And of course, pertaining to this, recall that Terry Matau describing this as the great bank heist. Many are saying that this would be one of the big cases or basically a show of particular work that is being done since Chiselda Lewis had taken office. So at this particular stage, we're waiting for court proceedings to get underway. We're not sure at exactly what time at the moment, but we'll have it all live for you here on the channel.
Chiselda will be following proceedings there. Thank you so much for that update. Now to